There are always four sides to a story: your side, their side, the truth, and what really happened. Freedom is the power to choose our own chance. I prefer liberty with danger than peace with slavery. Insult are the arguments employed by those who are in the wrong. The freedom of mankind does not lie in the fact that can do what we want, but that we do not have to do that which we do not want. Those people who treat politics and morality separately will never understand either of them. The money you have gives you freedom. The money you pursue enslavs you. Why should we build our happiness on the opinions of others when we can find it in our own hearts? People who know little are usually great talkers, while men who know much say little. What wisdom can you find that is greater than kindness? Once you teach people to say what they do not understand, it is easy enough to get them to say anything you like. Man is born free, and everywhere he is in chains. I have never believed that man's freedom consisted in doing what he wants, but rather in never doing what he does not want to do. Supreme happiness consists in self-content.